A $129,900 Chevelle that looks like a 1971 legend, but hides a monster 496 big block V8 built for the modern streets. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a machine that perfectly captures the golden era of American muscle while bringing it into the modern world. This is the 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Restomod, a breathtaking build that combines legendary muscle car attitude with cutting-edge performance, luxury upgrades, and modern driving technology. With a price tag of $129,900, this Chevelle is not just a classic, it's a statement of power, craftsmanship, and automotive passion. At first glance, this Chevelle commands attention with its unmistakable presence. The aggressive body lines, muscular stance, and timeless proportions remind everyone why the Chevelle became one of Chevrolet's most respected muscle cars. But this isn't just another restored classic sitting in a garage. This is a fully transformed Restomod designed to deliver the excitement of a vintage muscle car with the confidence and comfort of a modern performance machine. The exterior wears a deep gloss black finish that gives this Chevelle a sinister and luxurious appearance. Every reflection highlights the carefully sculpted bodywork, while the silver and red racing stripes add a perfect performance-inspired contrast. The iconic SS badging, chrome accents, custom hood hinges, and finished trunk showcase the attention to detail throughout this build. It looks aggressive standing still, and when the light hits the paint, every curve tells a story of classic American design, but the real magic begins under the hood. Opening the hood reveals a powerful Chevrolet 496 CI big block V8, a massive engine built for one purpose, delivering unforgettable performance. This is not a small upgrade. This is a serious power plant designed to create incredible torque and a thrilling driving experience. The engine is equipped with an Edelbrock Pro Flo 4 multi-port fuel injection system, bringing modern fuel management technology to classic muscle. Unlike the carbureted engines of the past, this fuel-injected setup provides improved throttle response, easier starting, and better reliability. It allows this legendary big block to perform with the confidence expected from a modern performance vehicle while keeping the raw personality that makes classic Chevelle so special. The power is delivered through a 4L85E 4-speed automatic transmission, giving this Chevelle smooth shifts and highway-friendly cruising capability. The combination of massive V8 torque, a 12-bolt rear end, and a 3.73 one-gear ratio creates an ideal balance between aggressive acceleration and comfortable driving, but power is only part of the story. A true Restomod must handle, stop, and drive as good as it looks. This Chevelle features a Speedtech boxed frame kit, transforming the foundation of this classic muscle car into a much more capable machine. The addition of power rack and pinion steering provides sharper handling and improved control compared to the original factory setup. When it comes to stopping power, this build delivers modern confidence with four-wheel Baer disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, and power-assisted braking. Whether cruising through city streets or enjoying a spirited drive, this Chevelle is engineered to provide control and stability. The stance is completed with stunning billet specialties Reaper Extreme wheels wrapped in premium Michelin Supersport tires. The massive tire setup includes 275/35 R19 front tires and an aggressive 345/30 R20 rear tire combination, giving this Chevelle an incredible road presence while maximizing grip. Underneath, the details continue. Ceramic-coated Hedman headers help improve exhaust flow while adding durability. The MagnaFlow 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system creates the deep, unmistakable sound of a powerful American V8. With MagnaFlow mufflers and electric cutouts, the driver can choose between a refined cruising tone or an open, aggressive exhaust note that announces the arrival of this muscle machine. Inside, the Chevelle receives a complete transformation while respecting its classic roots. The cabin features a stunning red interior that creates a perfect contrast against the black exterior. Comfortable bucket seats, a center console, and a custom steering wheel give the driver a premium environment built for enjoyment. The dashboard combines vintage inspiration with modern technology through Dakota Digital gauges, providing a clean and futuristic display while maintaining the classic muscle car atmosphere. The factory-style horseshoe shifter adds another nostalgic touch, reminding you of the Chevelle's original personality. Entertainment has also been upgraded with an impressive audio system featuring an OEM-style 8-track appearance combined with modern kicker Bluetooth technology, kicker amplifiers, speakers, and a subwoofer. This means you can enjoy the sound of the big block engine or your favorite music with premium quality audio. Comfort is further improved with features like vintage air conditioning, allowing this classic muscle car to be enjoyed in modern conditions without sacrificing its authentic character. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Restomod represents the perfect combination of history and innovation. It carries the soul of a legendary American muscle car, but delivers the performance, handling, technology, and comfort expected from a modern build. This is more than a restored Chevelle. It is a carefully engineered masterpiece that brings together a massive 496 big block V8, advanced suspension upgrades, premium braking technology, luxury interior features, and unforgettable styling. At $129,900, this Chevelle Restomod stands as a perfect example of why classic American muscle continues to capture the imagination of enthusiasts around the world. It's a machine built not only to be admired, but to be driven, experienced, and remembered. This is the 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Restomod, where legendary muscle meets modern performance.